Bullet 4 # Rubbish and recycling. Litter and rubbish refer to waste materials and discarded items that are improperly disposed of and can negatively impact the environment and public spaces. Here are some definitions and ways to reduce litter and rubbish, as well as information on reuse and recycling. Litter. Litter consists of small pieces of waste, such as wrappers, cigarette butts, food containers, and plastic bottles, that are dropped or left in public areas like streets, parks, and beaches. Littering is not only unsightly but also harmful to the environment and wildlife. How to reduce litter? Dispose of your trash properly in designated bins. Encourage others to do the same by setting a good example. Participate in community cleanup events. Rubbish. Garbage. Rubbish, also known as garbage or waste, includes all types of discarded materials, both biodegradable, organic, and non-biodegradable, non-organic. This can include household waste, construction debris, and more. How to reduce rubbish? Reduce waste generation by practicing reduce, reuse, recycle. Separate recyclables from non-recyclables. Compost organic materials to reduce the amount of waste going to landfills. Reuse. Reusing items means finding new ways to use products or materials instead of throwing them away after a single use. This can include repairing, repurposing, or donating items to extend their lifespan and reduce the need for new resources. Recycle. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be discarded as waste and turning them into new products. Common recyclable materials include paper, cardboard, glass, plastic, and aluminum. Recycling helps conserve natural resources and reduce the energy and pollution associated with producing new materials from scratch. A. What do you think? Finish the sentences. 1. I think litter is anything that is left lying in open places. 2. This is what I will do to reduce my rubbish. I will sell or give away things that I no longer want. 3. This is what I will do to reuse some of my rubbish. I will use a cloth bag that can be used many times. 4. This is what I will do to recycle my rubbish. Finish the chart with your things in container, rubbish and how I could reuse it. Soda can. I could use as gardening pot. Box. It can be used to ship items. Milk box. I can fill it with water and freeze to make ice blocks.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.